Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix search indexing was turned off error in Windows 11. First method is click Start, Settings. Click Troubleshoot. Click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Search and Indexing. Second method is type Services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open Windows Search Service. Change Startup type to Automatic, click Start the service, click Apply, click OK, restart the service. Third method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Indexing Options. Click Advanced, click Rebuild. Fourth method is click Start, Settings. Click Recovery. Click Reset PC. Click Keep My Files. Click Cloud Download. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.